we crochet here, is crocheted on the bottom of the bag. And the thread we use is this hollow cotton thread. When we crochet this bag, we use a 3.0 crochet hook. When we crochet the bottom of the bag, we need to leave the thread about 2 meters. And we will sew the bottom of the bag later after leaving the thread for 2 meters. We start to crochet the starting part. Place the thread behind the bag's bottom board and insert the hook into the rivet. Insert the hook into the front stitch and enter the needle here. After the hook needle goes through, hook the thread out. After hooking it out, hook a slip stitch. This stitch does not count as a stitch. Then in the same stitch, we will crochet and hook a short stitch. Hook the thread out. After hooking it, this is the first stitch. We mark a safety pin on the first stitch. Then we need to, in the first and the second stitch, 2 short stitches. Insert the hook into this and hook it out and make a short stitch. Continue to crochet a short stitch in this stitch. It's the same here, and hook 2 short stitches. In the middle, we will crochet 1 short stitch and 6 holes. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Each of these 6 holes is a short stitch. The first one, the second, the third one, the fourth one, the fifth one. The 6th one is a short stitch in 6 stitches. After hooking, we continue to hook. We'll crochet to here, 2 short stitches in 1 stitch. This is the first stitch and the second stitch. First stitch, second stitch, continue. Continue to hook until this middle position. Continue to hook forward to this position here, to this position. Then let's take a look again. There are still 4 stitches left here, and each stitch has 2 short stitches in it. Okay, we need to crochet 6 groups, 2 short stitches in 1 stitch, and then here, then come to here, the middle stitch. We need to crochet 3 short stitches. 1, 2, 3 short stitches. Here are 3 short stitches. After hooking, we continue to crochet 6, which are 6 holes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These 6 holes in the first 6 holes. In each stitch, we hook 2 short stitches in 1 stitch. This is the first stitch. 2 short stitches in the first hole and 2 short stitches in the second hole. 2 short stitches in the third hole. 2 short stitches in the fourth hole. 2 short stitches in the fifth hole. And 2 short stitches in the sixth hole. Look here. Look at these 3 here. 3 short stitches in 1 stitch. After hooking, hook 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. In these 6 stitches, we need to crochet 2 short stitches. Then we continue to crochet 6 holes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 in the 6 holes. And in these 6 holes, we hook 1 short stitch again. Start with the first stitch, second stitch, third stitch, fourth stitch, fifth stitch. After hooking the 6th stitch, continue to hook 6 in the 6 holes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. In these 6 holes, crochet 2 short stitches again. 2 short stitches in 1 hole. This is the first stitch. Then the second hole is also hooked with 2 short needles. You are the third hole. Fourth here. This is the 5th one. This is the 6th one. Here it goes into the hole in the middle. 3 short stitches are hooked. Here are 3 hooks in this hole. Here are 3 ticks. Then there are 3 holes left, which is a hook inside a hole. 2 short needles.
This is the first hole hook with 2 short needles.
The second hole is also hooked with 2 short needles. The third hole here is also hooked with 2 short needles. We started with needles here. Here is a short hook. Then we need to go inside this needle. Hook another short needle. Then remove the marker buckle here at the first stitch to pull out. Come and print it this weekend. In this way, we have ticked the bottom part of this bag after the pocket is ticked here. Let's look at this pattern.
At first we had a tick here, then hook 2 stitches, 2 stitches, then hook 6 1 stitch,
Then another 6 2 stitches.
then go to the middle of the bag bottom and the middle of the bag.
This position, the one with this position.
Then go through and come here to hook 6 2 stitches. To the middle, there are 6 stitches.
And you come around the corner, another 6 2 stitches.
And then to the middle, there's another 3 stitches.
In the end, it's the same here. These 3 stitches are 2 hooks.
Then hook another needle in the first needle.
It is equivalent to 6 needles. It's all hooked twice.
It's just that there is a hook in the starting position. And then another stitch here at the end.
After we hook the first lap, then we do the second lap.
In the second circle, we hook short needles in each stitch. We are in the mesh of the first lead needle.
Hook a short needle and then buckle the marking buckle. And then all the rest. Hook short needle. Then we'll hook the second lap.
Then pull in the first stitch.
Lengthen this line a little bit. So we've hooked the second lap. So we're going to do the next loop. Enter the needle through this thread and hook the thread out. After hooking it out, crochet it directly into the front one. Needle and then crochet and thread to hook out. Hook a loop of the lead needle. Everyone ticks according to this method. Just tick the full circle. And here we get to the last stitch. Let's stop ticking here. Put this section of the line, cut, then pull it out. After this piece is threaded out, we use this pin to make a seamless connection. Thread the thread into the pin. Then the large needle goes into the first position where the lead needle is hooked. Wear it like this. It's not easy to pull here, so slow down. Then, and pull it over, and then put it back into the needle in this way. The seamless connection is completed. Then we take this long line, hidden in this hooked coil. Right? More. The front end is okay. So this part of the bottom of this bag is ticked. First, hook 3 lock pins as its height. Then we hook jujube-shaped needles in the same stitch. Wrap once, twist twice, 3 times, then hook it out with thread and hook out the front loop first.
And then hook out the back loops again.
This is the first stitch. Then we crochet a slip stitch.
Mark a safety pin on the first stitch. Then we continue to wind the thread to hook the 造型针 in the same stitch.
First time. Second time. Third time, side by time. The fourth time, then wind the thread to hook the front loop. Hook the needle through the 2 loops behind and make a slip knot. Then space 1 2 in the third stitch and then thread the needle in and do the same thing 4 times around. Then hook out the front loop first
and hook the 2 loops behind with the thread.
and make a slip stitch.
Continue to wind the thread 4 times in this stitch. 1, 3, 4 times. Then hook out the front loop.
Then space 2 stitches and make a slip stitch. Continue to the next one.
Leave 2 stitches and hook in the 3rd stitch.
And hook it out once, twice, and 3 for
4 times. Then hook the front loop with the thread.
and hook the back loop and make a slip stitch.
Continue to wind the thread 4 times in this stitch.
Then continue to hook according to the previous method. Leave 2 stitches empty and hook in the 3rd. And hook the whole circle like this in the middle. Let's see how to hook the next round. There are 5 stitches left here.
Then we will hook in the middle stitch
This flower pattern. And pull through the 1st stitch.
So the first round of the pattern is completed. When we crochet this pattern later, we need to hook 3 chain stitches first
As its height. And then
we need to hook in this large hole.
to hook the pattern and wind the thread. Then hook out the front loop and the back loop. Then hook the back loop each time. You finish 1 round. In the 2nd round, we need to crochet 3 chain stitches. Then continue in the same stitch for 10 times. Then in the next stitch, we will crochet and wind the thread 4 times. Then everyone can follow the previous method to crochet.
This pattern needs to be crocheted for 10 rows. The main pattern needs to be crocheted for 10 rows.
After 10 rows, let's take a look at how to crochet the bag strap. After we finish crocheting this thread, let's see how to connect the thread. We first take the short end of the thread and wind it a few times. We take out the thread we want to connect and put it behind
Continue to wrap the newly connected thread.
and hook it out. This end of the thread. Hold it and put it against the back of the hook and pass the thread. Put the thread above the hook needle. Hook the thread over. Then pull the thread through the 1st stitch.
We have finished connecting this end of the thread.
Later, use that pin to
Thread the needle through the knitted stitch.
and that's it.
I've finished crocheting the pattern part. If your hands are tight, crochet 10 rows.
If I crochet loosely, 9 rows are enough. The height is suitable. Then let's take a look here. After the last stitch is done, finish the last stitch with a slip stitch in the 1st stitch.
Yarn over. Cut this thread a little shorter. Then we use a pin to hide this end of the thread. Hide this end of thread.
Hide it in the loop that has been crocheted. After the body is hooked,
We need to start a new needle for the handle part. Let's start crocheting. Fold the bag in half.
here is a set of flowers on the edge. Then fold it in half here. Here are 2 groups. Here also 2.
Then we mark it with a marker here.
Mark it with a safety pin in the middle of the pattern.
The same here.
The same goes for here.
Then align the middle flower pattern.
And here is a set and 2 groups in the middle. Then on the middle side, the second flower pattern,
Mark the second group of flowers in the middle.
it's done like this. Then we start to crochet the bag strap,
Then we take off the marking buckle
and thread the needle in and pull the thread behind. Start with 3 chain stitches. Then wind the thread 3 times like crocheting the flower pattern. Tighten the loop of thread, then hook a slip stitch as well. Then for this pattern here, we need to wind the thread 4 times.
Only this one on the side is wound 3 times.
Because this lock stitch here is also a long stitch. Wind the thread 4 times. Then hook it backwards. And the body of the bag are the same. The method is the same. Remove the marker from the last group in this stitch and hook the same. It's the same method. 2 flower shapes. The first row of the pattern is done. Then we lock 1 stitch. Then turn the bag body over. Turn it over. Then in this large hole, pull up a stitch. Then continue to crochet 3 chain stitches and wind the thread 3 times in this big hole.
Only half of the core is hooked in this hole.
Then in the needle below in the stitch.
To crochet to complete flowers.
Then in the next 2 stitches, also hook a complete wheat ear pattern. In the last stitch, crochet half a wheat ear pattern. Then lock 1 stitch. Then turn the bag body over. After turning it over,